The tardigrade, Macrobiotus shonaicus, is the 168th species of this robust microanimal ever discovered in Japan. The tardigrades are famous for their hardness. They can survive in extreme cold conditions up to -328 degrees Fahrenheit, or -200 Celsius, extreme heat over 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius, and even relentless radiation and vacuum of space, as reported a study of 2008. They are strange and adorable at the same time, with 8 legs and a small round body usually less than a millimeter long and circular mouths that make them look perpetually surprised. Kazuharu Arakawa, who studies the molecular biology of tardigrades at Keio University in Japan, discovered the new species in a small sample of moss. He had scraped the moss from the parking lot of his apartment in the city of Tsuruoka along the Sea of Japan. Most tardigrade species were described from mosses and lichens, so any moss mattress seems to be interesting for people working with tardigrades, Arakawa said.